How's it going, guys? Hayden here from Alarm System Store again, and today I have another quick video on another new Alarm.com release. This one's a bit more simplistic compared to the cameras and stuff I've shown so far, but nonetheless, Alarm.com is coming out of the gates swinging in 2026, so they also have some other new things that are coming out here shortly, but we'll cover those as they come. But anyway, this is the new Wi-Fi doorbell chime, the W114C. So this is a very simple device. It just comes with a couple pieces here. So this is the chime itself. And as you can see, if you know anything about the previous doorbell chime, is a lot smaller and a lot more simple. This part kind of threw me off at first just because I'm used to, US products, but I figured out that basically this is an adapter that allows different types of plugs to be used with this chime. So if you don't live in the US or you live somewhere that has a different plug type, there are, I think, 5 or 6 different options you can get with this chime. But basically, it just clicks down on there and then plug it in, and then you enroll it. So this is a lot simpler than the previous model, which I have here so I can show as a comparison. But basically, like I said, these are doorbell chimes. So their primary function is connecting to an Alarm.com video doorbell. And basically, if you don't have a mechanical chime or a digital chime that's already, installed in your house, or perhaps you just want more sound, you can set these up with your Alarm.com video doorbell, and it allows you to get that chime tone anywhere in your home. So the original one, the 115C, or W114C, it's very similar. You just plug it into an outlet just the same as you would this one. However, it also comes with these antennas. It's very big and bulky. It is not only a doorbell chime, but it is also a Wi-Fi extender. So you can use it to, improve, hopefully, the signal of your doorbell camera. Now, that wasn't needed by a lot of people, and having this, big bulky thing wasn't nearly as appealing to a lot. So Alarm.com basically simplified it, took it down a notch, and basically just made a simple doorbell chime. These are lower cost, less of an eyesore, easier to set up. You don't have to worry about any of the Wi-Fi settings or anything like that. You just plug it in, enroll it on your account, select which doorbell it is that's going to be triggering this thing, and you're good to go. So overall, a very simple device. And there's not really much more I can say. It's a very simple device, but hopefully it will allow you guys out there that, would like extra doorbell tone in your house to easily set that up. You can have as many of these doorbells as you want. It's not limited by any amount of, video camera plans or anything like that. As long as you have a video doorbell on your account, you can have as many of these throughout your house as you would like. As with the previous model, it does come with multiple different chime tones, so you can customize it. I think there was even a Christmas one that you could set up during holiday times, things like that. So neat little devices, just kind of adds a little personality to your home, to your video doorbell setup. So if you guys are interested in this, this is actually in beta right now, so they're not going to be up on the website for a short bit. I would say I'm gonna guess 2 to 3 weeks after this video comes out, they will be available on our website, alarmsystemstore.com. However, just check back, and we'll be adding it basically as soon as they are available to the public. We got in early on this one just so we could get a look at it and show it to you guys. But yeah, that's about it. I will be doing a short video on how to enroll this at one point. I don't have a video doorbell set up currently, so I don't have a way to connect it to the doorbell and show you guys that, but as soon as I have that available to me, I'll enroll this and show you guys how it works. We'll try a few of the different chime tones, things like that. But anyway, like I said, this is the W114C, and if you're interested, just keep an eye out for it. Like I said, it should be coming out soon. Otherwise though, that's gonna do it for me, so I will catch you guys on the next one.